Cadet Donatello, ready to perform manual of arms.
Go! Magsasanay sa paghawak ng sandata. Kanang balikat. Ta! Kalimang balikat. Ta! Agap. Ta! Baba. Ta! Tanghal. Ta! Baba. Ta! Siyasat. Ta! Agap. Ta! Baba. Ta! Ikas. Go! Luwag.
Salamat po. 11 General Orders. GO1. To take charge of this post and all government properly in view. GO number 2. To walk my post in a military manner, keeping always on the alert and observing everything that takes place within sight or hearing. GO number 3. To report all violation of orders I am instructed to enforce. GO number 4. To report all calls from posts more distant from the guardhouse than my own. GO number 5. To quit my post only when properly relieved. GO number 6. To receive, obey, and pass on the sentry who relieves me all orders from the commanding officer, command duty officer, officer of the deck, and officer and PT officer of the watch only. GO number 7. To talk to no one except in the line of duty. GO number 8. To give alarm in case of fire of disorder. GO number 9. To call the officer of the deck in any case not covered by instruction. GO number 10. To salute all officer and callers in standard not case. GO number 11. To be especially watchful at night and during the time for challenge to challenge all person on or near my post and to allow to no one to pass without proper